how to change your email on Twitch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your email on Twitch. First then go to Twitch and then click this one on your profile, and now click account settings, and then click this one, security and privacy. Click on it and then click here email. Click this one and now click change email, and now just type any email you want and click this one, and then you will need just to verify your email and it will be done. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.